In our last video, we touched upon how you can get loyal customers. In this video, we'll talk about how to get your customers to pay for your product. First of all, you need to understand why a customer buys a particular product. They can buy it for fun, for hope, for pain alleviation, for sense of belonging, or perhaps for discriminating against another group. Once you know their motive, it is easy to utilize that. If your customer still doesn't want to pay, then that's the time you need to ask yourself why they are concerned. If they are concerned about pricing, try to charge $1 a day instead of telling your customer that you will be charging them $300. Second, our brain hates the idea of losing so much in one go that we would want to do anything to avoid it. That's why companies offer free samples and trials to the customers. Once they are used to your product, they are more likely to pay for it to prevent losing access. Number 3 is sinking cost. It is an interesting economic concept that companies use to encourage purchasing. Not many customers are aware that sinking costs have sunk. It means that more time, money, energy, and devotion a customer puts into a product, the more difficult it is for them to let go. For example, gaming companies are successful because users hate to give up all their cool weapons and clothes for their characters. So they are more likely to keep subscribing to a game. The same thing goes for Google Drive and Dropbox. The more files you put in there, the more likely you will pay for them because you know that it would be a huge trouble for you to download all of them all together. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You were watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.